We're Chuck and Lori, and we're going to show you Alaska.
This is Alaska!
Today we're taking a road trip to Seward. Join Captain Lori as we take a really pretty cruise down Resurrection Bay. And we're going to hike up towards Exit Glacier. And we might even run across a rope moose. So pack your bag and join us.
It's sunnier.
Oh my God, look at that.
It's sunny.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, but sunnier.
That's incredible.
I feel like I did see this before though.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in?
Reminds me of Scotland, reminds me of Maui. Love that.
All your hopes and efforts are all in vain.
Actually, it reminds me of Oregon and places.
Who will pick you up when you've lost everything?
I see the green up there, it reminds me of.
Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh.
We had made it to Seward and we were about to go on the bus to get to the Fjord tours. We had to sign in to make sure we had our tickets and everything was ready to go.
We are doing the Kenai Fjord tour.
It's hard to say, but we're going out into the channel to check out some cool stuff, see some wildlife and glaciers
Yeah,
and
whales.
whales. Yeah,
I
orca.
was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day.
Something smells fishy.
So actually, it's a good fish smell.
It's a good
It
fish smell.
reminds me, no, it reminds me seriously of when I used to go fishing. I like the
That's a good
smell.
fish smell. Well, right now, we're wandering down the dock to go to our boat to take us out to the fjord.
You know what it reminds me of?
What's it remind you of?
Like when we used to go up to Maine.
This is ours right here. Nunatak.
Is it?
Yeah. Nunatak.
That one's not, is it the same size?
It looks pretty good size.
Has got to come my way.
We're boarded. We're ready to go.
Hey, you know what I'm wondering?
What are you wondering?
You know how they said lunch was included on this tour?
Yeah.
I'm starting to wonder if we are eating right in the boat or we're getting off the boat. Guess we'll find out.
I don't know. Yeah, we'll find out eventually. Wow, it's pretty.
For too
Here's another really cool glacier up over on this side. We're gonna go in and get something to eat, like right now, because the cafe looks pretty good, and I think it's free. It's part of the part of the cruise.
Yes, it's included in our trip. We have the choice of chicken or salmon, and we picked the salmon. And you could also, I guess, choose between the corn and the mashed potatoes, but we decided to get both.
And a salad.
And salad, yes.
Yeah, and I have the same exact thing.
It's raining.
It's raining. I
We're-
should probably do something myself.
Are we in Scotland?
We're not in Scotland, but it's pretty, pretty. It's very pretty here. It's just super ridiculously gorgeous here. I had to get more footage of Fox Island. Don't you agree? It's pretty awesome.
I just wish it would stop raining, though.
But it's a rainforest. It's a rainforest. And that's why it's raining. And then we were heading back to the ship to go see some wildlife.
Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are.
I think we hit a little bit of rough water, but it might be getting better now. That was pretty bumpy. You look upset.
I don't like rough water.
Yeah, there's decent swells.
I don't think we're out of it yet.
There's some pretty good swells.
No,
Ooh, we might see some seals out here. seals. Just hanging out. See the captain? Captain Lori. The last vessel she steered was the Ainui.
But I'm not really steering, am I?
Oh, you had to miss a shaka opportunity. We got the shaka. Nice.
Football Puffins is called a circus.
There must be another way, there must be conscious. Different things in different ways, there must be more.
You can't be on a tour boat without your Puffin Pale Ale.
Yeah. Puffin Pale Ale.
I love the label on this.
The labels are super cool. Cheers.
Cheers.
And a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
It was pretty good. I liked it. Our crew was super friendly.
No, they were very nice.
Yeah. They get a little bumpy at times, but I still think it was pretty good. I don't know what to do next, but we'll think of something, I'm sure. We always do.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
Has got to come my way.
I wish it wasn't raining though.
Driving in Alaska, you're gonna burn some fuel, and the Jeep is thirsty. So it's fuel up time. Then we go to the glacier.
Yay!
Yay for glacier. Thirsty Jeep. This is Alaska.
Thank you for my northern exposure. Wait,
had
Chuck, you
two
said
moose.
wait, you said how am I gonna get a moose?
I don't know. She got a moose.
I got 2 moose.
2 moose on the loose.
But we can't wait forever, can we? What do we
I
do?
don't know what we do.
Oh. Well, do you just want you don't want to hit the car though?
No.
Yeah.
I have the damage waiver though.
Great.
I don't even know what my flashes are on this thing.
Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9.
So we're here at Exit Glacier.
Yeah, this is really cool. We're gonna go hike it up, check it out. So you have to be bear aware.
An aggressive bear.
Yeah, we saw 50 of them a couple days ago. If you survive 50 bears on the island, I guess we're okay, maybe.
We found the non-aggressive ones apparently. So this sign right here in front of us says 1917.
Yep,
So at that point, the glacier was here.
was here, yeah.
So it keeps going further and further back.
Sadly, yeah, they're receding pretty fast. Could have been a much shorter hike if we came in 1917.
Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9.
It's a cute little bridge.
Record.
Yeah.
We're approaching 1951.
This whole trail is only 1.9 miles long. So that means this thing has receded from 1917 till 2022. 1.9 miles?
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise.
1961.
It was a good year.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9.
There's a waterfall up there
Oh yeah, there's a waterfall over there.
on the hill.
A more impressive glacier is
up on the hillside over here. Check this out. I wish I knew the name of that one, but that one's pretty spectacular right there.
Kiosk sign here. This is what the next stop looked like in 2010. Now there's a chasm underneath here, a little valley.
One of the reasons to come to Alaska is to see glaciers. And
It looks like somebody went skiing down it.
it does look kind of weird. It's a living glacier. See, it was here like not so long ago.
Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
This is Alaska.
So this is pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah, this is super cool.
And I still think you should take your toboggan.
I am not taking a toboggan up that thing.
You go super fast.
Yeah, super fast to my death.
You pull me up when I'm falling down.
You can see the blue.
It's really cool.
Because he says sometimes you can't see the blue.
I think it's maybe time to hike back down.
We can. You know, I can almost stand here for a couple hours.
Yeah. So we'll hike back down.
We can just stare at it.
It's changing every second you look at it.
And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high.
This is Alaska.
Ain't